Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef and pork stew. Let's start with the foundational step of searing, which locks in incredible flavor. Cut your beef and pork into 1-inch cubes, ensuring uniform cooking. Pat the meat thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a beautiful, deep brown crust. Sear the meat in batches over medium-high heat, about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until each piece is wonderfully browned. This initial step builds a rich base for your stew. Now let's build those incredible flavor layers. In the same pot, sauté your diced onions, carrots, and celery until softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, deglaze the pot with about 1 cup of dry red wine or beef broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook for 2 minutes, allowing its flavor to intensify. This creates a rich, savory foundation for your stew. The magic of stew happens during the slow simmer. Return your seared beef and pork to the pot. Pour in 4 cups of rich beef broth, along with a bay leaf and a sprig of fresh thyme. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it cook. Allow it to braise for 2 to 3 hours, or until the meat is incredibly fork tender and practically melts in your mouth. We're almost ready to enjoy this magnificent stew. During the final hour of cooking, add 1 pound of diced potatoes and any other root vegetables you desire, like parsnips. If you prefer a thicker stew, whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water and stir it in. Let it simmer for 5 more minutes. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve hot and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.